Hello, this is Adi from CCL Business Management Department. Today I will guide you how to install VPN and access OA System. Step 1. Please download the NMA Mobile Token app in your phone by visiting this website. Step 2. Download the mobile token app and click on Import Token to scan the code. Click on Activation by Scan QR Code. Enter the code and password. The code and password will be sent to you via email to activate the mobile app. Step 3. From your mobile app, click Detail to generate the 6-digit code from the app. Step 4. Visit vpnctg.com.cn and download Easyconnect software in the laptop desktop by clicking Download Client. Step 5. Once the Easyconnect software is downloaded, open the Easyconnect software. The system will automatically start loading configuration and put vpn.ctg.com.cn in the address bar. The password is last 6 CNIC digits plus 6-digit token code generated from the mobile app. Please ensure that you import the token as soon as you receive the code. The password will be valid for 24 hours. Now we will open the Start Easyconnect software. As you can see the page, the app is loading configuration. Input your username and password. As you can see, it is flashing. It shows it is connected and the result is successful. Now you can open the OA link. It will be shared to you via email. This is the OA System main login page. You can input your credentials and click on Sign In button. Click on the relevant company you want to log in and click the tick button. It will take a while to upload the OA dashboard. This is the update password notification. Please use alphanumerical password. You can change your password by clicking OK. Use your old password, new password, and confirm new password and click on Save button. This is the workflow management system. We call it OA System dashboard. As you can see, there are multiple tabs here. Taskbar, document management, contact management, vendor management, document center, system settings, change password. You can also change your password by clicking Change Password. In the task, you can see few functions, drafts where you can create drafts, to-do list. As you can see, I have to-do list here. For all the application system, you can view the task list here. Work in progress, completed tasks, and information and notifications, all works in progress. This is the document management system relating to the project companies. For all the documentation, letters which are outgoing, you can use this function for review and management and approval of the documents. Similarly, this is the incoming dispatch for the application systems and letters. CCL application system for the general application system, CCL outgoing dispatch for the CCL office outgoing dispatch letters and documentation process and their review and approval by the management. Similarly, CCL incoming dispatch and CCL general application. This is the contract management system for bidding. It has various sub-items. Bidding initiation, where you start the bidding process, and then there is tender decision, where you award the contract to the vendor. This is contract management system, where you can create the contract, where you can get the approval, you can close the contract, start the contract review process, and the contract initiation process. This is for the contract change process. If you want to change the contract, or you want to change the amount of the contract or certain terms and conditions, you can use this feature to change the contract. And similarly, for the contract change review, system settlement for all non-EPC contract settlement, we use it, and also for the EPC contract settlement process. This is for the contract acceptance, and this is for the search of all those contract payments. You can use this query function. So this is all from my side.